Omukasheshekera izoba ekitongore kya UBOS narishi Uganda Bureau of Statistics kyatandika n'okuherezayo okucondoza kwakyo kw'emiringo 8 aha rubaro rw'abantu hamwe n'omushwija okuguri aha kitebe kyakyo kikuru ekya Statistics House omuri Kampala.
Go, malaria, no one should die of what? Thank you.
Omukucondoza nuko kumwe okwahwebwayo kwayirukangwa abaana bato abari hagati ya amezi 6 hamwe n'amezi 59 beyongyirwa okukwatwa hamwe n'okurwara endwara y'omushwija kuruga aha bucweka 13 kandi bwayongeraho obucweka 10 nk'oku kwabire kuri omukucondoza okwakozirwe mu mwaka gw'2018-2019. Omukugambaho n'abanyamakuru orukuru ekitongore nicyo kimwe Dr. Chris Mukiza yayoreka ebyo biresire endwara y'omushwija yayeyongyera omu baana hamwe n'omu ihanga.
Another aspect you have seen in this survey is that the access to ITNs, insect-treated mosquito nets, has remained stagnant at 56%. The rate where we were in 2019 is the same. So what is the problem? Yet we know the Ministry of Health has been giving mosquito nets and has been campaigning.
Omu bigambo bye State Minister Amos Rugorobi yasima ekitongore ahabw'okuheereza okucondoza kwakyo omu bwire okwongera n'okucondoza kukaheereza government okuyakuheereza embalirira okuteekaho ebiragiro okworekyereza sente omu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ekirikuza kuyambaho kureeta entunguuka omuri abo bakuheereza obuyambi hamwe n'ebitongore okureba ngu bahikiriza ebyo ebirikwetengwa kukoraho.
They would not understand. They would ask you, why would you spend over 300 billion in doing a census? Just a census. For what? Would rather use that money to construct a school. But I'm glad that most of the policy makers are now aware of the importance of statistics. And this has been evidenced in the report we have just seen. Now,
Ogu yayongera yashaba abantu kwongera kushomesebwa okuba kubasa kufuhirira ensiri ari kugira ngo ekintu cyo kibasa kutangira uburwire bw'omushwija.
We can significantly reduce the malaria burden from that 13% you saw to somewhere. I don't know what the next target is. Total elimination. Let's work towards zero.
Omubigambo bye owabajwekire ekitongore kya World Health Organization kandi nana ebitongore mpabuhwezi kuruga heru Dr. Kasonde Mwiga akwatanise na omujwekero kuruga mu United States Embassy bashoborera ngo ebitongore mpabuhwezi nibaza kweyongera kukwatanisa na Uganda okwenda kurwanisa endwara y'omushwija.
I encourage all stakeholders to maintain high data quality standards, to promote timely data sharing and champion the use of routine data in decision making. Going forward, WHO will continue to strengthen surveillance systems, enhance monitoring and evaluation capacity, and support operational research. We will also support quality assurance and robust data analysis to help the country prepare for emerging threats.
Byamagara kurigirira ha kitongore cy'ebyamagara ehuru neyecengera mu misho okurwanisa endwara y'omushwija abo kugira ngo egi neyekwata abana bari hansi y'emyaka 5 hamwe n'abakazi benda kandi ekizere kiretaho obuzibu hamwe n'okufa ekitararine. Gasha kwa Nyesiga Ivan habwatayari West omuri Kampala.
I want to take recognition of our dear Executive Director is here with us.